Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we study about team acceptations. Some of the common fears about working with groups include student fear that each member will not pull their weight as a part of the group. Students are scared that their grade will be low as a result of the group learning less learning they do individually. One way to address this issue is to use a group activity to allow the group to outline acceptable group behavior. Put together a form and ask group to first list behaviors they expect from each individual, each pair as a group as a whole. Group then Groups then can use this as a way to monitor individual contributions to the group and as a way to evaluate group participation. Next, we study about double entry journal. The double entry journal can be used as a way for students to take notes on articles and other resources they read in preparation for class discussion. Students read and reflect as on the assigned readings. Students prepare the double entry journal listing critical point of the readings as they see them and any response to the readings in journal or specific critical points. Students bring their journal notes to class. Once in a class, students may use their double entry journal to being discussion to a paired animation or for other classroom and group activity. Next, we have guided reciprocal peer questioning. The goal of this activity is to generate discussion among student group about a specific topic or content area. Faculty conduct a brief 10 to 15 minute lecture on a topic or content area. Faculty may assign a reading or written assignment as well. Instructor then give the students a set of generic question stems. Students work individually to write their own questions based on the material being covered. Students do not have to be able to answer the questions they pose. This activity is designed to force students to think about ideas relevant to the content area. Students should use as many question stems as possible. Grouped into learning team, each student offer a question for discussion using the different streams. Sample question states that what is the main idea of and what if. Next we have how does effect and what is new example of something. So explain why, that is explain how does this relate to what I learned before and what conclusion can I draw about. Next, we have the makeup of a cooperative learning session. Members of effective cooperative learning group have specific role. Each member may assume several roles at a given session. In fact, for smaller group, it will be necessary for each member to have more than one duty. Chair or leader, this person is the agenda setting facilitator. In other words, the group or leader set the agenda of this session with input from the rest of the group. Timekeeper, in which this person is the agenda facilitator. The timekeeper keeps track of the amount of time spent on each activity in the session and makes sure pre-arranged time allocation in the agenda are followed. Next, we have room scheduler. This person arrange the day, time, and place of the study session with school administrators if necessary. The room scheduler may also be responsible for connecting study group member to remind them about sessions. Next, we have resources arranger. This person arrange for supplies and resources for the session. Resources may include reference books from the library, peer tutors, or overhead projectors. Next, we have group process evaluator and procedure or participant. This person takes part in the scheduled activities of the session. In most cases, all members of the study group are participants. So today lecture is end. I hope you enjoy my lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.